If you want to become a successful trader for the long run, stop day trading. I will be the first one to tell you this. Stop day trading. Day trading can consume you from the inside out. It can consume your portfolio. You can burn your portfolio in 1 day, 2 days, and it will consume you on the mental side. If you lack the mental resilience, if you lack the proper set of rules, if you lack the proper strategy on the technical side and on the mental side, day trading is not for you. If you cannot be consistent, profitable trader, swing trading, or position holding trader, what makes you think you can become successful day trader? Stop day trading. Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI'Traders.com here. Thank you very much for joining another weekly edition, my top stocks to watch for the coming week. We have FOMC, we have Google, we have Microsoft. Earnings season is coming into a boiling point. Like, subscribe, share with friends. Let's see the charts. Earnings season is heating up with Google, Meta, Microsoft coming up in a few days, and above all we have FOMC rate decision. We still have top 9 stocks to watch for the coming week. Airbnb is the first one, since we identified the break above the 136. Now let's see continuation above the 148. Next will be the 161 and then 181 to the upside. Next is AKAM, Akami Technologies, 34. As we can see, very tough resistance since June of 2022. Tough resistance, once again resistance. Let's see continuation above the 94. Then we are heading towards the 100. Also, as we always say, prepare for both sides. We have double top scenario of the 94 area, breaking below the 87, and we are heading towards the 81 and 76. Always prepare for both sides because no one knows what will happen next. CVS bouncing off the 66, and if you saw previous videos in the past 2-3 weeks, we waited for a break above the 71. Now 75 is the resistance. Let's see continuation above it towards 78 and then 80, 75 to the upside. Follow price, use levels and trend lines as your guide for future price action. ELV, perfect example of why trend lines are the true resistance, support for price action. Now, as we can see in the past week, ELV tried to break above this upper trend line. Let's see continuation. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Next will be the 492. Above it, 417. XLE Energy ETF. Trend lines holding. Price for the higher lows. As we saw here during May, June, beginning of July, this blue trend line held nicely the higher lows. Now XLE trying to get back up, bounce. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now we are at the 84, 85 area, which is also not surprising. The Fibonacci 50% retracement, breaking up and above. We are heading towards 86, 87, and then 90, and then maybe back to all-time highs at a 95. Short only a week or two below this blue trend line. Cisco Systems trying to break above the 52, 53 area. As we can see this area only by looking left. Always look left. Resistance, support, support, resistance over here, March, April, and here since June, 6 weeks of resistance. Breaking above, we are heading towards the 57, 52, and then 61 to the upside. Short, 2-3 days below the 49.80, and then we are heading back towards the 45. Always prepare for both sides. Use trend lines and Fibonacci levels to show you the way GILD, Gilead Sciences, trying to bounce off the 74. I'm looking for continuation above 81 towards 86 and then towards the 90. MU, with all the noise, clean the chart and focus only on price action. And what do we see here? We see higher lows, now some kind of retracement. We have here higher highs, retracement, bouncing once again the green trend line. I'm looking for continuation towards this red trend line. If you want, you can take Fibonacci. We can take Fibonacci from here, swing low, swing high. Not surprising, retraced towards the green trend line, bounced towards the 618 Fibonacci retracement. 66 is the resistance. Above it, we are heading towards 69.90, 70. We can round it up. Above it, we are heading once again to this red trend line. Look left, this red trend line held as resistance for the lower highs. Let's see where MU is taking us. For now, green trend line support, red trend line resistance. Starbucks holding nice the 96 area. Now 102 is the resistance. We have 9 more days for Starbucks earnings. Next, in my opinion, is the 107. And then let's see where Starbucks earnings will take us. Good reaction for the earnings. 115 will become resistance and then all-time highs towards the 130. Bad reaction. And we are heading towards the 84 and maybe back to the 70. Follow price. Use levels and trend lines as your risk management. Always prepare for both sides. I know I sound like a broken record, but this is it. Risk management. The only thing we have full control of as traders is risk management. No one knows what will happen next. If you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, become your own indicator, set your own set of rules, check the links in the description below. 2 programs, the pre-recorded or the one-on-one live mentorship program. Both programs, lifetime access, support, guidance, of course all Discord channels, until you will find yourself doing everything by yourself. Risk management, position sizing, entry, exit, long, short, swing, Bitcoin, stocks, ETF, Forex if you want. I don't trade Forex. We have this trend line over here. Above 103, this red trend line will be the next resistance. I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Will be much appreciated. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Find your own path for your own financial freedom. Until the opening bell, do good things.